In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to upload multiple files to Claude AI so you can work smarter and faster. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Claude AI account. Head over to claude.ai and use your email and password to log in. It's essential to log in as it grants you full access to all the features and tools Claude AI has to offer, including file uploads. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page where you'll see an interface designed to streamline your workflow. From here, your next move is to open a new chat window. Just look for the New Chat button. You'll find it prominently displayed, ensuring you can start a new conversation with ease. Clicking this button gets you ready to engage with Claude, setting the stage for all the powerful functions you're about to unleash. Now, you're ready to add your files. Locate the attachment icon right next to the chat input field. This icon, shaped like a small paperclip, is your gateway to uploading files directly into the chat. Clicking this icon brings up the file picker window, a familiar dialog that allows you to select the files you need. When the file picker window pops up, go ahead and select up to 5 files from your computer. Claude AI is versatile, accepting a variety of formats such as PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, and more. This flexibility means you can upload different types of documents to analyze or have reference at your fingertips, truly enhancing your productivity. Once you've selected your files, hit the Open button. This action prompts Claude to begin processing the files immediately in the background. This seamless integration means you're not stuck waiting. You can move straight to drafting your prompt while the files are being readied. With your files uploaded, it's time to communicate your needs to Claude. Type your prompt into the chat input field. For instance, you might ask Claude to analyze the data from these files, or tailor it specifically to what you need. Remember, clear prompts lead to more precise responses, so articulate your request effectively. Finally, click the Send Message button after you've composed your prompt. This submission officially passes your request and the files over to Claude, initiating the analysis. In just moments, Claude leverages its powerful AI capabilities to provide you with an insightful, detailed response. And there you have it. You now know how to upload multiple files to Claude AI efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy file uploading.